So hello and welcome student. So today I'll start a new chapter called Algebraic Expression from the chapter 12. Okay, and the book which I am using is the textbook of St. Xavier's School. I will start with exercise 12.1. So our first question is given: classify the following into monomial, binomial and trinomial. What is monomial, what is binomial and what is trinomial? Monomial mean one term, binomial mean two term and trinomial mean three term. Okay, so I already wrote the questions. So there are 6 questions. So you have to identify which one is monomial and which one is binomial and which one is trinomial. So here you see, so how many terms are here? See, any algebraic expression are separated by either plus or minus. Okay, so one minus sign is here. So how many terms are here? There are 2 terms. So if it is 2 terms, we call it binomial. So it is binomial. Okay, now here you see how many terms are here. There is minus sign, but it is minus 10x. So only one term is there, right? So it will be monomial. Next, how many terms are here? 3 terms. The expression is separated by how many sign? 2 plus sign. So there will be how many terms? There are 3 terms. So this will be trinomial. Similarly, what about this? There is only one term. So this will be monomial. How many terms? 3 terms. So this will be trinomial. This is single term, so this will be monomial. Okay, so one term mean monomial, 2 term mean binomial and 3 term mean trinomial. Okay, so we'll proceed to the next question. So our next question is given: write the degree of each of the following expression. Now what is degree? Degree mean the highest power of the variable. Now we'll see. Now in this case, what is the variable? X is the variable, right? So the unknown value, or you can say the one which doesn't have any fixed value. Okay, so this is the variable. X is the variable. Now what is the power of x? The power of x is 1, so the degree will be 1. Okay, the highest power of this expression is 1, so degree will be 1. In this case, you see what is the highest power. First we will identify what are the variable. Here x and y are the variable. Now we'll see the highest power. Now the variable of this is 2, this is 1 and this is also 1. So highest is 2. So degree will be 2. Okay. Next, what will be the degree of this? The variable are x. Now the highest power of variable is 4, because this is the highest number. So degree will be 4, right? Next, what will be the variable for this? The variable are xy, and x. So what will be the highest power? You can see it is 6, right? So degree will be equals to 6. Okay, very simple. We'll proceed to the next question. So our next question is given: add the following. So here how many terms are given? 1, 2 and this expression. Okay, so you have to add all these terms. So how we will do it? We'll just add them. So you can write it like this: 2xy square plus, what is the next term? Minus 7xy square. Since there is minus and you put it in bracket, plus 11xy square minus 14xy square. Okay, now this plus minus, it will become minus. So this will be 2xy square plus minus 7xy square plus 11xy square minus 14xy square. Now you see whether they are like terms or not. How can we compare that they are like terms? We'll compare the variable. Now here you see the variable is xy square, here also xy square, xy square, xy square. So it's mean all these terms are like terms. Now we can add or we can subtract. So what we'll do? First we'll compare the first 2 and then the last 2 to make it more easy. So this is plus, then this is minus. Plus minus minus. So 7 minus 2 is 5. We'll write 5, and variable you write y square. So what will be the sign here? It will be minus because this number is greater than this. So it will be minus. Next, in this case, plus minus minus. 14 minus 11 is 3. Okay, 3xy square. Now what will be the greater sign? Greater sign is minus because 14 is greater than 11. So we'll put this sign. So this will be minus. Now again, these are also like terms. So minus minus it will be plus, but minus sign will remain back, right? 5 plus 3 is 8, and you write down the variables. So our answer is minus 8xy square. Okay, we'll do Roman number 3. I'll do all the odd numbers, okay, and you try yourself all the even numbers. So our next question is given. There are 3 expressions, right? We have to add all these 3 expressions. So we'll first write it for x plus 7 plus minus 11x square minus x minus 5 plus the other expression is plus 7x plus 3. These are the 3 expressions you have to add it. Okay, I put it in bracket so that you can identify the 3 expressions very clearly. Okay, and you have to add these 3 expressions. So what we'll do, you can open the bracket now. 7x square minus 4x plus 7 plus minus, it will be minus 11x square plus minus minus plus minus minus. The symbol will remain same in case you multiply any expression with plus sign, but if you multiply any expression by minus, all the sign will be the opposite. Okay, this will be minus 7x square, this will be same. Okay, now you can find out all the like terms and bring it together. That will be easy. So 7x square, x square, one more x square is here, so we'll bring it minus 11x square and minus 7x square. Okay, next term is minus 4x, this will be minus x, and the other one is 7x. Next, the numerical below 7 minus 5 plus 3. Okay, now it will be simple for us. They are the like terms. Now what we will do, you see 7x square, this is plus and this is minus, you can cancel it. So you can directly cancel this because plus minus minus, 7x square minus 7x square, it will be 0, so you can cancel it. So what will remain here? Minus 11x square. Now here you see minus minus, it will be plus, so you can write minus 4 plus 1, that is 5x. Still this one remaining, you just write it down now. Now 7 minus 5, it will be how much? 2, so plus 2, so this is x, right? The last term, that is plus 3, you write it down. Okay, next what you will do, this one you can write as it is. Now this is still need to be solved, so plus minus, it will be minus 7 minus 5 is 2, and x, greater sign will be plus, right, because 7 is greater, so this will be plus, this will be 2 plus 3 is 5, sign will be plus, so this will be our answer. Okay, we'll proceed to the next question. So our next question is subtract minus 8xy from 15xy. You have to subtract this number from what? 5xy. So what we'll do, we'll write the second term first because you have to subtract this one from this. So from this, so you have to write this one first, xy minus, you have to subtract minus 8xy. Okay, so 15xy minus minus, it will become plus, this is 8xy. Now see, are they like terms? Yes, they are like terms because xy, you have to compare the variable. So 15xy plus 8xy, it will be 23xy. So our next question is given, subtract this expression from this expression. So which one will write first? The second expression, right? So we'll write it here, minus 7x cube plus 18x square plus 11x. From here you have to subtract what? Here you have to put the bracket sign, otherwise it will be wrong. So you have to put this first expression, x cube plus 7x square plus 4x. It is very important to put the bracket. Now you will see why it is important. Okay, the first time it will remain the same. First expression will remain the same. So x cube plus 18x square plus 11x minus plus it will be minus plus it will be again minus. You see the sign change, right? Minus plus it will be minus 4x. But in case of addition, the sign remain the same. Okay, so it is very important. Most of the students, what they do, they just don't put the bracket, and they just put, in the first case they will put minus 2x, and the other they keep it the same. So while solving it, they get the wrong answer. Okay, so putting the bracket is very important. So we'll select all the like terms. So these are like terms, this one and this one is like terms, this and these are like terms. So we'll bring the like terms together. Minus 2x cube plus 18x square, and this will be minus 7x square. Next is plus 11x, and this is minus 4x. We bring all the like terms together. Without bringing the like terms together also you can solve it. Okay, so but for the beginning you try with this method. Later you will be expert and you can solve it easily. Directly you can solve it. Minus minus it will be plus, so you just add it. Okay, now you will see minus minus it will be plus. So 7 plus 2 is 9x cube. What will be the sign? What I told, minus minus will be plus, but the sign minus sign will remain. Okay, now plus minus minus, 18 minus 7 is 11x square. What will be the sign? Greater number is 18, and the what is the sign? Plus sign. Similar here, so plus minus minus, 11 minus 4 is 7x. Greater sign will be plus. So this will be our answer. So our next question is given, question number 5. Subtract the sum of 2x square minus 4x plus 11 and 4x square minus 4x plus 1 from the sum of 8x square minus 7x minus 7 and 6x square plus 4x minus 6. So how can we do this one? It is given the sum of the first two expression, you have to subtract from the sum of the last two expression. So what we'll do, we'll write down the last two expression first, okay, then subtract the first two. So how can you write? We can write like this, 8x square minus 7x minus 7 plus 6x square plus 4x minus 6. You have to minus 2x square minus 4x plus 11 plus 7x square minus 4x plus 1. So what we did, we wrote the last two expression first, okay, because you have to subtract the first two expression from the last two. So we'll write down the last two first, okay. So next what we'll do, we'll first solve this part, the addition part. So this can be written as 8x square minus 7x minus 7 plus 6x square plus 4x minus 6. Okay, to solve it first, minus 2x square minus 4x plus 11 plus 7x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay, so we'll edit like terms, we'll do it directly. Okay, 8x square plus 6x square, it will be 14x square. This is minus 7x and this is plus 4x. Minus plus, it will be minus. 7 minus 4 is 3x, greater sign is minus, so we'll put minus sign. Minus minus, it will be plus. 7 plus 6 is 13 and sign will be minus. Okay, minus. Here this is plus and this is also plus. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9x square. This is minus 4x minus 4x, minus minus, it will be plus. 4 plus 4, it will be 8, so we'll write 8x and sign will be minus. Next, plus 11 and plus 1, so it will be plus 12. 11 plus 1, that is 12. Now it will become more simple, right? Now you can open the bracket. The first expression will remain same. Second expression will become minus plus, it will be minus. Minus minus, it will be plus 8x. Minus plus, it will be minus 12. Now you can solve it. Now you see 14x square and this is 9x square. This is plus and this is minus. Plus minus minus. So 14 minus 9, it will be 5x square. Okay. Next one is 3x. This is minus 3x. This is plus 3x. Plus minus minus. 8 minus 3 is 5. We'll write 5x. Now what is the greater sign? Minus or plus? It will be plus because 8 is greater, so it will be plus. Minus 13 minus 12. Minus minus plus. 13 plus 12 is 25. Sign will be minus because both the sign are minus. So what we got? 5x square plus 5x minus 25. Now you can see these are multiples. All these terms are multiples of 5. So if you take out 5 as a common, so what will remain? So if you take out 5, this will be how many? From 5x square, if you take out 5, what will remain? X square will remain. From 5x, if you take out 5, what will remain? X will remain. Minus, you put it. 5 how many times? It will be 25. 5 5 there. Okay. So this is our required answer. Okay. So we'll do the next question. So our next question number 6 is given. Subtract the sum of 4x square y minus 3xy square plus 4 and minus 3x square y minus 7xy square minus 7 from x square plus 4. So from it is given, right? So we'll write down the last term first. So how can you write? We can write x square plus 4 minus the sum of the first two, that is 4x square y minus 3xy square. So you have to subtract this, the sum of these two expression from x square plus 4. Okay. So what shall we do now? We will just open this bracket. How can we write 4x square y minus 3xy square plus 4 plus minus, it will be minus 3x square y minus plus, it will be minus 7xy square minus plus minus 7. Okay. Now x square plus 4 minus, let's solve this one and make it more simple. Okay. So 4x square y, 3x square y. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1x square y. Sign will be plus because 4 is greater. So you don't have to write this 1. Okay, you can write x square y. Okay, it will be the same meaning. Minus 3xy square and this one is minus 7xy square. Minus minus, it will be plus. 3 plus 7 is 10, 10xy square. Sign will be minus. Now plus minus minus, 7 minus 4 is 3. 3, greater sign is minus. Okay. Now it become more simple. Now we'll open the bracket. Plus 4 minus, minus plus, it will be minus x square y minus minus, it will be plus 10xy square minus minus, it will be plus 3. Is there any like terms? There are no any like terms except these numbers. Okay, so others you just write down as it is. plus 10xy square. 4 plus 3 is 7. This will be our required answer. So our next question is given, simplify the following. Okay, so here we'll solve it. So first we will open this bracket, x square minus 4x minus 1 minus, you have to multiply this expression with the minus sign. Minus plus, it will be minus, minus minus, it will be plus 5x, minus plus, it will be minus minus, it will be plus 2. Okay, this part is solved. Minus, again this minus sign you will multiply with that expression, that is 6x square, so it will become minus 6x square minus minus plus 2x minus plus, it will be minus 1. Okay, we'll solve this bracket first, square bracket. So what can you do? You see what are the like terms? These are the two like terms. So this is plus and this is minus. Plus minus minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1x square. Sign is minus, so you have to put minus. 4x and 5x are like terms. So plus minus minus. 5 minus 4 is 1x. Greater sign will be plus. Okay. Minus 1 plus 2. So plus minus minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. Greater sign is plus. Okay. Minus, we have to write that expression 6x square plus 2x minus 1. Now again we'll see the like terms. These are two like terms. Minus minus, it will become plus. So 6x square plus 1x square, that is 7x square. Minus minus, it will be plus, but the minus sign will remain. Okay. 1x plus 2x, that will be 3x. Both are plus sign, so it will be plus. Plus 1 minus 1, you can cancel it. So our answer will be minus 7x square plus 3x. So that's all from exercise 12.1. I did all the odd numbers, right? You try to solve all the even numbers, and if you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching.